Okay, so we need to get this going pretty quickly because my cat is meowing loudly today. I don't even know how to go into it, but we've only got so much time. I have distracted him with an open window, so let's get started. All right, welcome to Cybersecurity 101. I am Mark Hemingway, Creative Content Director here at Archer Energy Solutions. And today we're going to talk about time stomping. So I've never heard this term until just recently. I was looking up different show ideas and I was like, that sounds like an interesting word. So here we go. If you're new to these videos, I use ChatGPT to help me learn. So let's get learning some cybersecurity. So without further ado, in cybersecurity, what is time stomping? Time stomping is the manipulation of file timestamps to hide malicious activity or make it appear legitimate. Okay, so you're just going in and saying, oh no, this document was created 5 years ago, and in fact, we just created it last night. Okay, I was hoping it was some kind of like time travel thing or something, but it's not. All right, let's try and understand time stomping a little more. So what are some common tools that are used for time stomping? Okay, so they have their own tools. So they include Timestomp, Touch Pro, and various PowerShell scripts. All right, I'll take their word for it. Not sure what I was looking to get out of that, but there you go. All right, so how do we know that said time stomping has been completed? So what are some detection methods when it comes to time stomping? All right, they include analyzing inconsistencies in file timestamps, examining file metadata for discrepancies, and monitoring for unusual patterns of file access and modification. So it doesn't sound like there's really a way you can look at a file and click on it and say, do it. You have to do some actual research. It's a kind of trickery. Well, since it's bad, let's see how could time stomping be used in a cyber attack. So it can be used to conceal the presence of malicious files or activities. All right, that makes sense. Evade detection by security tools and manipulate forensic evidence to hinder incident response and investigation efforts. Okay. Interesting. I mean, this is a pretty straightforward question, but just was curious, is what is the potential impact of time stamping in investigations? I mean, I pretty much know, but I just want to see what it has to say. Can significantly impact investigations by misleading investigators about times of events, obscuring the origins of malicious files, and complicating efforts to trace the source of a cyber attack. All right, that makes sense. All right, with all things bad, there has to be good, I hope. Is there anything good about time stomping? Let's find out. So basically it's saying it's not good as its primary use is for malicious purposes. However, in some cases, digital forensic experts may use controlled time stomping techniques to test the robustness of their investigation methods or to simulate real-world scenarios for training purposes. So basically, it can be used in training situations to help people to maybe understand that that's something that's out there and to look out for. All right, seems pretty straightforward. Time stomping is just basically changing the timestamp of files so that you could say whatever you want it to say. All right, so we're going to wrap it up with one final question, which I like to ask at the end of every episode, which is, what is a real-life time-stomping incident? All right, so it involved Stuxnet malware, which targeted Iran's nuclear program. Stuxnet used time-stomping techniques to manipulate file timestamps, making it harder for investigators to determine the exact timeline of the attack and its origins. Oh, clever. Clever and wrong, but interesting. All right, well, there you go, time stomping. I'd never heard of it. Maybe you haven't either. Maybe you have. And if you have, let me know in the comments below if there's more that I should know about time stomping. If there's more interesting incidences, I'm sure there are, I'm pretty sure that it sounds like most all of the cybersecurity attacks probably involve time stomping of some sort. It's because it needs to get in there. It needs to feel like it's been in there for a while, even when it hasn't. So anyway, all right. Well, thank you for once again joining me on another episode of Cybersecurity 101. Don't forget to follow us on our social medias, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And as always, don't forget to go to our YouTube page at ArcherU. That's it for today, guys. I'm saying a lot. Bye.
You can catch new episodes every Thursday. Follow us on YouTube at ArcherU. Like, subscribe, and click the bell notification to be notified when a new episode has been released. Is there a question or a topic you'd like Mark to address on an upcoming episode of Cybersecurity 101? Leave them in the comments below and check back in every Thursday for a brand new episode.